So where should I stay in San Pancho? What are my accommodation options in San Pancho? Well, you've actually got quite a good range of accommodation options here, from the very high end to the really budget-friendly ones. So another place you can stay is Las Clavellinas, which is the road that goes up the hill up this way. So Las Palmas, the road Las Palmas, which is kind of the main road that goes through Costa Azul, kind of continues on up the hill and becomes kind of a jungle road and heads up the hill through the jungle. And you can't really see them, but off in the jungle from this road are all kinds of huge, beautiful, luxurious houses that sit on the hills overlooking the sea with these beautiful ocean views. Now, because they're kind of perched up there, ocean access and beach access may be a little bit precarious, but generally you're sitting above, a beautiful private beach with hardly anybody there and these gorgeous views. But of course, that comes with a price. There may be casitas there. I don't know if I've ever really seen casitas there. It's worth investigating. But the other reason why I haven't ever tried staying at Las Clavellinas is because it's a very steep, rough road, just kind of carved out of the jungle. And I think that you would really need a four-wheel drive to get up there with really high clearance. And I would be kind of worried of any kind of rain or any kind of bad weather, that it would be kind of treacherous getting up there. And of course, you're going to need a car to get up there because you're going to have all your suitcases and luggage to haul up there. And I would just be concerned about not having the right vehicle. If I had the right vehicle, I think it'd be a really cool place to stay. There is a variety of options there in terms of prices, so it's something that is worth investigating. Also up in Las Clavellinas, you'll see things like kind of eco-chic retreats and yoga retreats and jungle retreats, and you might get some tree houses and really cool, funky places like that you can stay. They may or may not have any amenities. They may or may not have running water. They may or may not have electricity. So if you don't mind roughing it and kind of going back to nature, there's some really neat options there that are. When we rent, we always rent through San Pancho Rentals and Realty, and that's how we've gotten access to all of these great little places that we found. But there are many different rental agencies that you can go through here in San Pancho, and of course there's always the old standbys, VRBO and Airbnb. So hasta luego.